All right, so are you ready to dive into something pretty cool?
Always.
Today we're looking at Ploppie,
Oh, yeah. I've heard some interesting things about that.
which is kind of your shortcut to building chat applications using LLMs.
Okay.
And it's Python based. So
Even
even
better.
if you are into Python, this is going to be right up your alley.
Absolutely.
So the interesting thing is that Ploppie is built on top of LiteLLM, which is already doing a lot of really interesting things as this universal translator for different LLMs. But Ploppie takes it a step further and really simplifies the whole process.
Yeah, that was one of the things that I noticed when I was looking at it. It really is focused on ease of use.
And they even say in the documentation that
Yeah.
they're going for this stupid, simple philosophy.
And honestly, I kind of like that.
Yeah,
Because who needs to spend hours trying to wrestle with APIs
right?
and data formatting when you could be building something cool?
And what you're building is basically a chat experience
Exactly.
using LLMs. And what I noticed looking at the notes that we have is we're talking about things like integrating tools,
Right.
like using images and audio, even managing chat history. Like it's like,
Like the whole toolkit.
yeah, it's the whole toolkit for LLM chat applications.
And I think one of the best things is how simple they make it.
Right.
Add tools to your application.
Oh, yeah.
Like, if you wanted to use a calculator with your LLM,
Mm.
with Ploppie, you can just add that with a single decorator.
Oh, wow. So
That's the kind of power that we're talking about here.
it's like giving these LLMs superpowers,
Yes,
but
exactly.
with just a few lines of code.
It almost feels like cheating.
Right.
It's like you shouldn't be able to do something this sophisticated with so little effort.
Right.
And it doesn't matter if you're an expert or just starting out.
Mm.
Ploppie makes it easy for anyone to build these kinds of applications.
Now, you keep saying tools.
Yeah.
So what exactly do you mean by that when we're talking about Ploppie?
So imagine that you want to build an app that can do things like pull in livestock prices,
Okay.
analyze images,
Mm-hmm.
maybe even translate languages.
Mm.
You can build these simple Python functions to handle all these actions
Uh-huh.
and then just tell Ploppie to use them.
And that's it.
That's it. You don't have to worry about all those complex integrations.
Oh, wow.
It just handles everything for you.
Now, they've got a pretty cool example in the reatom file
Oh, yeah.
where, let's say you want your chat application to be able to do math.
Right.
You write this really simple little Python function called calculate,
Yeah,
and just like that, the LLM can do math like a pro.
exactly.
No more clunky workarounds, no more headaches.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Right.
And to make things even easier, they use these things called decorators, which are basically these little pieces of code that add functionality to your functions
Mm-hmm.
without having to rewrite them.
So it's like adding a turbocharger
Exactly.
to your code,
Yeah.
but with just one line.
It's like, man,
So instead of me, the developer, having to figure out how to get this LLM to talk to my calculator,
right.
Ploppie is handling all of that behind the scenes for me.
It's like having a personal assistant for your LLM.
Oh, wow. That is...
It takes care of all the boring stuff so you can focus on the fun parts.
Now, another thing that caught my eye was that you can actually work with images and audio.
Yeah.
So you're telling me I can build a chat app that can analyze a picture,
Absolutely.
or maybe even respond to a voice command, all thanks to Ploppie.
You got it.
So this goes way beyond the simple text chat
Well,
bots.
this is like next level stuff.
We're talking about creating these really interactive
Fun.
and engaging experiences.
It's amazing what you can do with it. Like, imagine a chatbot that can describe an image for someone who's visually impaired
Right.
or transcribe an audio message.
That is
It just opens up so many possibilities.
really impressive.
And the best part is
Mm.
you don't have to do any of the heavy lifting when it comes to processing those images and audio files.
Mm. So Ploppie is handling all of that.
Yep. It converts them into formats the LLM can understand, so you don't have to worry about any of that technical stuff.
Wow.
You just focus on building the cool features.
So, okay, let's say I'm sold.
Okay?
I'm sold on this whole stupid simple approach.
Uh-huh.
And I love the idea of being able to give these superpowers to my LLMs.
Yeah.
Where do I even begin?
Well, that's the beauty of Ploppie.
Hmm.
Even if you're completely new to this whole LLM world,
Okay.
it's designed to be really user-friendly.
Okay.
They've got this core class called Chat,
Okay.
and it's basically the heart of Ploppie.
Mm.
It manages everything from the flow of the conversation
Mm.
to how you integrate your tools.
So it's like the conductor
Yeah,
of an orchestra.
exactly.
Making sure that everything is working together.
You got it. And within that orchestra, you have all these different message types,
Oh, okay.
like system messages, user messages, assistant messages.
So like the cast of characters
Yeah.
in our chat app.
Exactly. Each one playing a specific role.
Okay, so walk me through these different message types.
All right, let's do it.
So we were talking about these different message types.
Right, like system messages.
Yeah, like what is a system message?
So think of those as kind of like the stage directions.
Mm.
It's how you set the scene for the LLM and provide some context.
So it's like telling the LLM, hey, we're going to be talking about travel today. Get ready to answer questions about like destinations and flights.
Exactly. It's like setting the stage.
Okay, so the system message is how we kind of steer the LLM.
Yeah, you guide its behavior. You tell it what to focus on.
And then you said we've got user messages.
Right. Those are
Yeah.
pretty simple.
So that's just whatever the user types in.
Yeah, exactly.
Could be a question, a command, or just, a random thought.
Anything.
Okay, and then we've got the assistant messages.
Right, and that's basically the LLM's response.
So it's like the LLM is taking on the role of an assistant,
Yeah, like a helpful assistant.
providing information, completing tasks, or just keeping the conversation going.
Exactly. And then there are also these tool call and tool result messages.
Oh, right. We were talking about tools before.
Yeah, so these messages are how Ploppie handles the interaction with those tools.
Okay, so if I use Ploppie to connect my LLM to like a weather API, a tool call message would be sent to like fetch the forecast.
Right.
And then the tool result would come back and say, hey, it's sunny or it's going to rain.
Exactly. It's like a seamless back and forth
Wow.
between the LLM and your tools.
Really impressive.
And Ploppie is kind of the orchestra conductor, making sure everything runs smoothly.
Okay, now there's one more message type that I'm really curious about.
Which one?
It's the dynamic messages.
Oh, yeah, those are cool.
Yeah, they sound really interesting. Like they can add a whole other level of interactivity to the app.
Absolutely. Imagine you're building like a day planner app.
Okay.
With a dynamic, you can include the current time, and it would update every time the message is sent.
Oh, wow. So it's not just like a static timestamp.
No, it's real-time information right in the chat.
That's awesome.
And the way it works is Ploppie uses these things called callback functions.
Okay.
It's basically a little piece of code that runs every time the dynamic message is sent. And it fetches the latest information or maybe does some calculations.
So it's like a mini program.
Yeah, kind of like a mini program embedded within the chat.
Okay, so if I wanted to create a chatbot that greets you with the latest news headlines every morning, I could use a dynamic message that has a callback function that fetches the top stories from like a news API.
Exactly. It's all about making your chat applications feel more responsive and engaging.
Now, before, we were talking about how Ploppie can handle chat history.
Right. That's really important.
Which is essential for any chatbot.
Absolutely. You don't want your chatbot to forget everything you just told it.
So how does Ploppie actually do that?
Well, they use this technique called serialization and deserialization.
Oh, that sounds complicated.
It's not as bad as it sounds.
Okay.
It's basically about saving the conversation in a way that the computer can understand and then loading it back up when you need it.
So it's like taking a snapshot of the chat.
Yeah, exactly, and then restoring it later.
So instead of starting from scratch every time my chatbot can remember past interactions and build on them.
That's the whole point. It's like having a chatbot with a memory.
And that opens up a lot of possibilities.
Oh, yeah. You can create these really personalized and engaging experiences.
So we could have a chatbot that remembers your preferences, learns from past interactions, and then tailors its responses accordingly.
Exactly. It's all about making those chat applications feel more natural and intuitive.
Okay, so we've covered the core concepts of Ploppie. This whole stupid, simple philosophy, the power of tools, the dynamic messages, the importance of chat history.
We've covered a lot of ground.
But I'm also seeing in our notes that there are some things that are still in progress.
Right, like streaming and JSON mode.
So Ploppie is still under development.
It's constantly evolving, which is exciting.
Yeah, there's even more cool stuff on the horizon.
I can't wait to see what they come up with next.
But for now, let's focus on what Ploppie can do today.
Okay.
So if someone's listening and they're like, all right, I want to get started with Ploppie, where do I begin?
Well, they have all these great example files in the source code.
Oh, okay.
They're like little mini tutorials that show you how to use Ploppie for different things. Like setting up basic interactions, working with images.
Okay.
Even saving and restoring that chat history we were talking about.
So it's like a hands-on guide.
Exactly. It gets you up and running quickly.
And if you get stuck?
But the Ploppie community is really helpful.
Oh, that's good.
They've got a Discord server where you can ask questions, share your projects, and get inspiration from other developers.
So, okay, we've got the tools, we've got the examples.
We do.
We've got a supportive community.
Yeah.
What kind of real-world applications can we build with Ploppie?
Well, the possibilities are pretty much endless.
It does seem like...
But the most obvious one is chatbots.
Okay.
Ploppie can be the brains behind all sorts of chatbots.
Uh-huh.
Ones that answer questions, schedule appointments, even provide customer support.
But it goes beyond chatbots, right?
Absolutely.
I'm seeing potential for things like content creation,
Yeah.
automation,
Hmm.
even personalized learning.
You're right on the money.
So it's not just about building a chatbot that answers basic questions.
No, it's about building intelligent systems
Yeah.
that can do all sorts of amazing things.
Like imagine using Ploppie to build an app that helps you write a novel.
Now that would be cool.
And it's using the LLM to generate text. And
Right.
Ploppie's tools are pulling in research character bios, plot suggestions.
It's like having an AI co-author.
Right. It's like having this AI genius
Exactly.
working with you.
And what about automation?
Oh, yeah.
Think about a chat app that can process invoices, generate reports, even schedule social media posts. Ploppie could handle all of that for you.
Wow. So it's like this tool that can help you write a book, automate your business,
Right.
create personalized learning experiences.
The possibilities are mind-boggling.
I know. It's really incredible.
It really is.
I feel like we've just scratched the surface here.
Yeah, there's so much more to explore.
But we do need to start wrapping things up.
Okay.
But I want to leave our listeners with something to think about.
Right.
So here's a thought-provoking question.
I like it.
What if we took this idea of personalized chat applications even further?
Okay.
Could Ploppie be used to create these custom-tailored learning experiences where the app adapts to the learner's needs?
Interesting.
And provides content and exercises that are just right for them?
Like an AI tutor.
Yeah, exactly. Like imagine a language learning app that's powered by Ploppie. And it's using these tools to create quizzes, pull in articles based on your interests.
Right.
Maybe even connect you with a real-life tutor.
Wow. That would be amazing.
And it could analyze your progress, figure out where you're struggling,
Yeah.
and adjust the learning path to keep you engaged.
So it's like having this personal coach for your brain.
Yeah, exactly.
That's incredible.
And it's all powered by the magic of LLMs and Ploppie's flexibility.
It's like Ploppie is giving us the building blocks to create these really powerful and personalized learning experiences.
So we're not just building simple chatbots
Right.
that answer basic questions.
We're talking about intelligent tutors, creative collaborators, automated assistants.
It really is mind-blowing.
It is, and it all started with this Python library that's all about being stupid simple.
And that's the beauty of it, right?
Yeah, it's like Ploppie saying, hey, you focus on the cool stuff you want to create, and we'll handle all the complex LLM stuff in the background.
So to our listeners out there, what's going to be your Ploppie masterpiece?
Are you going to build a chatbot that writes personalized poems?
An AI assistant that automates your workflow?
Or maybe even that personalized learning app we were just talking about?
The only limit is your imagination.
So dive into that source code.
Experiment with the examples.
And let your creativity run wild.
We can't wait to see what you build.
Until next time, keep diving deep.